This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 310 MKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 2, LP detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, awning, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 310 MKTS is 9,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.